What's the meaning of charm offensive? Charm offensive. Charm offensive.
Charm offensive. Charm offensive. Charm offensive refers to a strategy in which an individual or group attempts to win over others by using charm, flattery, and persuasion. The result of a charm offensive is typically an improvement in the target's perception of the individual or group, leading to increased trust and cooperation. This strategy is often employed in business, politics, and diplomacy to gain favor, negotiate better deals, or improve relationships with other parties. The success of a charm offensive depends on the target's receptiveness to the approach and the sincerity of the charm offensive.